My name is Kerrigan Branham, and this is the Lab 5 Chemical and Physical Change of Food. I have my heavy whipping cream, and I will be filling this container halfway with it. This is the only jar that I could find at Walmart. I filled the jar about halfway with the heavy whipping cream. My initial observation of the buttermilk before I shake it is it smells slightly soured. It has a thick consistency. It's fully liquefied, and it tastes very strongly of dairy, which I know it's dairy, but tastes very much like cheese. So I went ahead and shook it 20 times and released the pressure from the container. And now I'm just gonna shake it until I get some solidified form of heavy whipping cream. Here's my heavy whipping cream after shaking it for 15 minutes. It looks like a milkshake. I feel like the consistency, it's a lot thicker now than it was whenever I started. It still smells and tastes like a gallon of milk. It doesn't taste very good, honestly. But it took me about 15 minutes to get to this point because I started at 8:45 and it's now 9 o'clock. This is what it looks like after shaking it for roughly 24 minutes. The butter still smells like milk altogether. The butter has, or the heavy whipping cream has solidified and made butter. And it doesn't taste as strongly as milk. And then the buttermilk is white and liquidy, and still tastes like straight milk. This is what it looks like as I added the cold water in, and I'm fixing to shake it and rinse it until the water runs clear. This is what it looks like after 5 rinses, and I'm not adding salt to it. Here is my whole piece of bread. It's very soft. It's white bread. Just tastes like bread. And then tore it in half, and it still feels the same and tastes the same. So I only have a panini press, but it toasted my bread like I like it because I don't like it too crispy. But it's not soft anymore. It's crispy, and I mean, you can kind of see the texture of it. It tastes different. I don't really know how to describe it. It doesn't taste as much like bread, but you can taste like the crispness of it. Still good though. I put a little bit of butter on it, and now we're gonna taste it and see how it tastes together. It tastes pretty good altogether. You can't really taste the milk when it's with the bread, but it's pretty good. And this is the end result of my butter. All in all, it took me a little under 45 minutes to make this after rinsing it and everything.